Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Human-like neural nets by Catapulting. Researchers propose training multi-trillion parameter neural networks with high cyclical learning rates to achieve human-like generalization, improved adversarial robustness, and better AI safety through a bias-variance tradeoff approach that mimics brain architecture. This catapulted deep learning paradigm could enable more efficient and aligned AI systems while solving key mysteries about the differences between artificial and human neural networks. 10 Weekend reads. Wealthy Americans are increasingly hiring personal security services amid rising political violence and kidnappings, according to a GQ report featured in this weekend's recommended reads. The roundup also includes coverage of China's robotics advancement through low-cost data harvesting and former CBS correspondent Scott Pelley's departure from 60 Minutes following internal turmoil. Effects of adaptive air-threshold practice on soccer in step kick learning. The article examines how adaptive air-threshold practice affects soccer in step kick learning, but the provided text contains only licensing and permissions information rather than substantive research findings or results. How to build a virtual cell and biology scaling laws. Markov Biosciences argues that biology is approaching its GPT moment, with virtual cell models trained on large observational datasets and optimized loss functions outperforming traditional approaches that rely on expensive perturbation data. By reframing single-cell RNA-seq as a ranking problem, the company has demonstrated clean scaling laws in predictive performance as model size increases. AI learned how the universe works, and that created an unexpected problem for physicists. Cosmologists trained an AI on the standard model of cosmology to accelerate research, but found that while the AI showed promise, it also developed biases that hindered the discovery of new physics, highlighting the need to balance speed with understanding in scientific AI applications. Beyond prompt injection. In 2025, indirect prompt injection emerged as a critical real-world threat to AI systems, with attacks exploiting legitimate agent behaviors to execute malicious payloads without user interaction. Researchers demonstrated that a single poison email or CRM entry could coerce AI agents into exfiltrating sensitive data, highlighting the vulnerability of production LLM applications to content-based attacks. All-or-nothing approach to AI risks shutting down innovation. A Google DeepMind learning expert warns that banning AI in higher education risks stifling innovation and pedagogical conversations, arguing that AI can reinforce rather than replace traditional teaching methods. Lean software scaling laws. Researchers propose measuring coding LLM perplexity against codebase size to determine scaling laws for software predictability, with lean language showing potential for superior long-term scaling exponents that could enhance global cybersecurity through improved program correctness. 2026-2027 college basketball offseason buzz. St. John's transfer out for season. John's forward Donnie Freeman will miss the 2026-27 season after undergoing surgery for an Achilles injury sustained during a workout. The transfer from Syracuse was expected to be a key player for the Red Storm, who must now replace multiple front court starters following recent NBA draft selections. LLMs are eroding my software engineering career and I don't know what to do. A senior software engineer with expertise in finance and payment processing domains expresses concern that large language models are diminishing the value of specialized knowledge that took years to develop, as AI tools increasingly handle domain-specific tasks that previously required deep expertise. The engineer, who transitioned from front-end to back-end development and built a career around financial domain specialization, now questions their career trajectory as AI adoption accelerates in finance-focused companies. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.